Hey, Mark here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change color on a photo in Photoshop. Uh, there's multiple times that you want to be able to use this. So today we're going to be showing how to change the siding color of a house. So we'll just jump right in. Photoshop here. This is kind of what the final product looks like. I'll show you. So we just changed the siding of the wood color to be a little more stained, a little more orange color. Um, so we'll show how we do that here today. I'm going to turn that layer off and kind of just start over of what I did. So I loaded in this photo here. What I first do is duplicate the layer. Just call it that. So then we have the layer in there. And then I will go to the selection tool and drag and try to grab the siding here that we're changing. Photoshop does a fairly good job of grabbing it, but it did not grab the windows and some of the entrances here. So what you do is you hold down the Option key on a Mac and select the window. You can drag and drop through all these. It'll grab all the windows. And we're just going through and grabbing all the spots that we don't want to change the color for. And we'll grab the garage entrance here also. Kind of look through. Oh, it looks like it's grabbing the roof over the garage, so we'll try to grab that also here. And we're holding the Option key the whole time and releasing. All right, so that's pretty close. It's not perfect. There's a couple items you can also drag. It looks like it's getting a little bit of the concrete here. We'll try to get that also. So I'm holding Option and clicking to remove the selection tool. It's got a couple items down here also. I'll just grab that. We're not going to get it perfect for today's demonstration, but kind of get the idea. So then after you got your selection here of the color area that you want to change for this one on the siding of the house, then we'll go into and create a group here with the folder, and then we'll create a mask layer. Then we'll come down to the selection here and create a solid color. And for this one, it's defaulting to black. We're going to make it more of an orange, kind of an example I had. So we'll just go over here. Maybe it's a little more red. So there's our color. And then we need to add the brightness and contrast. We're going to leave that for now. Go back to layers. Drag the color above the brightness, and when we come into the color here, we need to put it the drop down and select color. So now it's going to drop that color over the top. You can see it already changed here, and then you can come in and double click on the brightness and contrast. You can play with it a little bit if you want it darker. You want more contrast. This one will brighten up a little bit. Come back to your layers. You can switch the color too. So if you want to come back in here and say you don't want to do the orange, you can switch it to more of a white or a gray, and it's going to remember all your settings that you have in there. Back after the car horn is turned off from our neighbor here. That's I guess the difficulties of working outside here and trying to record a video. So yeah, we changed the color of the background. What I was going to say is you can jump back in on the layers here, and you can actually change the colors. You want to do more of a white or a gray, or if you want to try a blue, we could try a off blue. There's lots of different things you can do here, and it's going to remember all the settings that we already put in there. So yeah, that's how you change the color here. Like the video below, comment, let us know what you're trying to change the colors for in your projects today. We got horns going off in the background here. I'll maybe edit this out, maybe do another video, but we'll just leave it today for that. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful for you. Let us know in the comments below what you're trying to change the color of in Photoshop.